Welcome to the channel. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most breathtaking creations in the luxury motorhome universe, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Big Luxury HAL Edition. At first glance, it looks like a commanding semi-truck engineered for endless highways and heavy hauls. But open that door and you'll quickly discover this isn't just a truck, it's a true palace on wheels, a mobile luxury mansion that masterfully fuses raw, heavy-duty power with extravagant 5-star comfort in a way that's truly unprecedented. Let's set the scene. The Kenworth T2000 has long been celebrated for its size, durability, and legendary reliability in the trucking world. But in 2026, Kenworth completely redefined the game, transforming this iconic beast into a luxury motorhome that erases the boundary between commercial-grade engineering and elite residential living. This isn't mere transportation anymore. It's the pinnacle of prestige, freedom, and adventure. From the exterior, the T2000 HAL Edition is an absolute showstopper. Far longer than most conventional RVs, it commands the road with its massive aerodynamic grille, towering aggressive stance, and striking futuristic LED lighting signature. Polished chrome accents gleam like fine jewelry against the flawless, glossy paint, sending one clear message: this isn't just a vehicle, it's a bold statement of status. Wherever it stops, heads turn, jaws drop, and everyone wonders, what's inside this rolling masterpiece? And that's where the real magic unfolds. Step through the smooth, electronically operated side entry, and you're immediately enveloped by astonishing space. Forget cramped RV living. This feels like entering a high-end penthouse suite. Soaring ceilings, expansive panoramic windows, sophisticated ambient LED lighting, and exquisite handcrafted wood paneling create an ambience that instantly erases any sense you're still in a truck. It rivals a designer Manhattan apartment more than a vehicle. At the center lies the luxurious lounge area. Plush Italian leather sofas arranged in a welcoming U-shape, ideal for family time or entertaining guests. A cutting-edge entertainment setup features a retractable 75-inch 8K OLED TV, immersive surround sound, and seamless smart connectivity, perfect for streaming, gaming, or even remote work in supreme style. The lounge flows effortlessly into an elegant dining space, complete with a motorized extendable table and crystal-clear refined fixtures that exude pure sophistication. Now the kitchen, this is where the rolling mansion truly shines as a chef's dream. Marble countertops, high-efficiency induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, integrated coffee station, and even a compact wine cellar. Every element is crafted not just to dazzle visually, but to perform like a professional-grade space. Standing here, it's almost impossible to believe you're inside a truck. Deeper inside awaits the master suite, and this is where the T2000 HAL truly flexes its luxury muscle. A king-sized bed with advanced memory foam suspension delivers unparalleled comfort on the longest journeys. Overhead, a mesmerizing starlight ceiling simulates the night sky, while smart wall panels let you control lighting, climate, and privacy glass with a simple touch. The walk-in closet offers bespoke storage for clothing, shoes, accessories, and yes, even your luxury watch collection. Then comes the bathroom. No more tiny RV compromises. This is a full spa experience on wheels. Rainfall shower with customizable mood lighting, heated marble floors, a smart mirror with integrated display, and a high-end toilet system worthy of a luxury hotel. Select custom builds even include a mini sauna or jacuzzi, delivering true 5-star wellness wherever the road takes you. But don't let the opulence fool you. This palace never sacrifices performance. Beneath the luxury beats the heart of a true powerhouse, a a 1,200 horsepower diesel hybrid engine with sophisticated torque management, effortlessly propelling this massive structure. It pairs with next-generation autonomous driving aids, lane-keeping assistance, and adaptive suspension for smooth, stable, and surprisingly efficient miles, no matter the size. Tech enthusiasts will love the cockpit, a fully digital panoramic dashboard, AI-powered navigation, voice-activated controls, and augmented reality windshield overlays that project real-time traffic and terrain data. And the indulgence doesn't stop there. Rooftop terrace with sun loungers included. Built-in garage for your sports car or motorcycles? Absolutely. Solar paneled roof for sustainable off-grid capability? Double check. Some elite custom orders even feature a helicopter landing pad, elevating the T2000 HAL to the ultimate emblem of boundless living. In the end, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Big Luxury HAL Edition is far more than a motorhome. It's a lifestyle revolution. It shatters the myth that you must choose between rugged capability and lavish comfort. Here, you get both in spectacular harmony. It's about ultimate freedom, unmatched prestige, and carrying 5-star luxury to every corner of the world. So tell me, would you live in this rolling palace? Would you swap a fixed mansion for a machine that lets you take supreme luxury anywhere the open road beckons? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm genuinely curious. Do you view the T2000 HAL as the future of road luxury or just a billionaire's ultimate fantasy? Thanks for joining this exclusive tour inside the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Big Luxury HAL Edition. If it blew your mind, smash that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more incredible luxury vehicle deep dives. Until next time, keep chasing the horizon in ultimate style.